Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Drive. Google.com with the Google account that currently shows the email you want removed. Once signed in, click the circular profile icon at top right to confirm which account is active. Make sure it's the owner of the items tied to that email. If you see multiple accounts, switch to the correct one now. This prevents removing an email from the wrong profile and saves time. So verify ownership before proceeding to sharing or account-level changes. Now you remove the email from individual items. Find the file or folder, right-click and choose Share. That opens the permissions dialog. In the People section, locate the email address you want gone, then click the Role drop-down or three-dot menu next to it. Choose Remove or Remove Access and then click Save or Done. Once removed, that address loses access to that item. Repeat for other files or folders. This is the safe route if the email is only a collaborator, not an account owner. Finish by handling account-level connections. Go to My Account. Google.com, open personal info, then email to remove alternate or recovery addresses if applicable. If the email is a delegated account or transfer target, remove delegates and transfer file ownership to another address first. Ownership prevents instant deletion. Make sure to inspect Shared with Me and any active shared links. If something blocks removal, revoke app access, and if you manage Google Workspace, use the admin console to force remove or disconnect shared links. This usually resolves stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.